Now we'll look at dictionary and lists as combinations. So basically, uh, in place of values, we can place lists. So the keys are going to be unique, but they can be list form of values. Let's create a new dictionary. New dictionary is 1 is equals to red, green, blue. I say 2, white, pink, and purple. Again, a new third 3 key with a list as its values: brown, yellow, and black. So 1, 2, 3, these are keys and these are values. So basically values are lists. In similar way, we can find out the keys. New dictionary dot values, all the lists. New dictionary dot items. So this is how we can use the dictionaries and lists combinations, and we can update as well. New dictionary dot update. If I say 1 is 2. Uh, if I say I have to change green to light green, light green and blue. So let's check if it has been updated. Yes, there can be similar values in values, not keys. Keys are unique, but values can be same. I can put similar types of list as well. If I say new dictionary, and I just copy this particular list over here. And I say a new pair, basically update. I have to update here. It is a list, I forgot this. So 4, a new key pair has been created and similar values, exact similar values, but there can be no similar keys. Keys are unique.